Let's go. Outside. Right time. Watch it, people. Watch it. Yeah,
don't make it go. Don't make it go. Don't make it go. First nice spearfishing video for the year 2026. Yeah, man. Outside.
Nice one. Outside. Let's go. Nice one. Woo. Outside. Right time. Yeah, man.
Empty the bag, man.
The bag full.
Yeah, man. Empty the bag.
Watch that. Watch that. Watch that. Watch that. Wow, them boy.
What? Lovely.
Watch it. Still ammo. Watch it, people. Watch it. Yeah, boy.
Don't make it go. Don't make it run. Why we beat up?
Watch the fish. Watch it.
Lobster, people. Yeah? Lobster. Parrot fish. Snapper. You understand? And a shoot back lobster. What a it? You are going with the lobster. I mean that. Yo, what going with that way?
But I show what happened?
Why is that?
Because when I was pulling the bag, some of them are feeling like strain.
Oh, so that was probably mashed up.
Yeah, some of them are fish maybe attack that, you don't know?
Yes, guys, so that is the night dive. First night dive for the year.
Watch it, bro. Watch it,
and
people.
we did
watch it,
great.
People.
Yeah, man. Can't go wrong with that at all. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so we're gonna take the time and clean up them, boy. Yeah, man. Outside. Yeah, boy. What? Alright. So we go leave this here. We don't clean them. We go clean the snapper and the parfish and the butter. Yes, people. So that is the fish what we pulled for the night. First spearfishing video. Yeah, man. Parrot fish, snapper, lobster. Yeah, man. So that is all for now, guys. Until then, make sure and subscribe and like and share. Outside, Fisher for life. Yeah, man. Cold, people, cold. Outside, cold.